NHS Trusts in England say they were not consulted or given any notice of the government's decision over the compulsory wearing of surgical masks by all hospital staff from June the 15th. However, ministers insist there was notice of the changes. Another 204 people have died after testing positive for COVID-19 in the UK in the last 24-hour period. That takes the overall total to 40,465. Our health correspondent Lauren Moss has more details.
The merits of masks to protect against coronavirus have been the subject of scientific debate since the start of the outbreak.
PPE masks.
Now it's been confirmed that from the 15th of June, anyone visiting a hospital in England will have to wear a face covering, and all staff will need to wear surgical masks. But a group representing NHS Trusts says the announcement took them by surprise.
We would have liked to have seen a longer period of time to discuss this with the government and for them to consult frontline leaders about what's actually the right way to go on this, and for us to work it out together with the government.
From the 15th of June, face coverings will also be compulsory for passengers on public transport in England. What does the latest science say? The virus is spread through droplets. It's thought covering the mouth and nose will reduce transmission when it's difficult to social distance. The World Health Organization updated its guidance last night.
WHO advises that governments should encourage the general public to wear masks where there is widespread transmission and physical distancing is difficult, such as on public transport, in shops, or in other confined or crowded environments.
The shortage of personal protective equipment for frontline staff during the peak was well documented. Although welcoming the latest guidance, health professionals want to make sure there's no risk of running low again.
I'd like them to be very categorical that they have all the gear that they need, that they have a very solid forward supply, that they can see that there aren't likely to be any hitches in the next 2, 4, 6, 8 weeks.
The Department of Health says more guidance is coming and there are adequate stocks. Masks will not beat the virus. Good hygiene and social distancing are still vital as we ease out of lockdown. Lauren Moss, BBC News.